now for the lighting, the way it's going to be, the main models, I'm going to set a little setup right here.
Yeah.
And then the main models are going to be we're going to shoot it so they're facing this way for the VIP, right? And there'll be another camera here or here or whatever. There's a couple other crews coming by. Right?
So we're just gonna light for one area.
One area, but see them all. This is the map right here. So like the VIP room behind us. We'll do the China lights in here or whatever, right? The lighted so the models go this way, and the artists essentially are performing this way or wherever they want to go, right? We're shooting facing this way.
Yeah, but hold on.
Because I want to just keep it all in one stage.
We don't want to fuck around with you.
Yeah, no, and that's
No, they're not moving lights.
Rush setup time now. 20 minutes to sound check. I got like one light hooked up. All good. All good.
What kind of work were you doing in China? I did a laundry commercial. A laundry commercial? Yeah, I did a commercial where we're advertising some, it was, I don't even know, some food product, and we had to like dance every time we put it in the fridge and took it out, and snap our fingers and stuff. Did you get paid well for that? One day I got paid $7,000 US. So is it expensive? It's really, no, it's not expensive at all. Like literally, we got paid allowance $100 US a week, so that's 800 their money. And groceries came to 20 baht or 20 their money, and I bought like $200 worth in our food. So like one can of pop's like 5 cents there. Wow.
Celebration.
Are you excited? Yeah, I've never been at a show in a restaurant / bar, and this is a very pretty bar. I've never been here. I'm surprised it used to be a bank. I wonder how many years ago it was a bank.
I think it's 50.
50 years ago? Wow. Yeah. Yeah, there's the vault. It doesn't close. I'm too weak to close the vault.
So let's say they're here.
That's the main
Am
set.
I right?
I
Frame me and tell me. That's okay?
Can you step back? There's really not much I'm going to be able to get because I got to zoom over here. Go.
The part is back. Go the part is back. And move this fellow. Tell me, what is the closest to you that the model is gonna come? Like this? Something like this, right? Closer?
You could probably come up to here.
This is fine for me.
But you already set it up, right?
Oh, well, that's what we're doing. We can move this.
Yeah, where Andy said.
Right here.
Right here's the closest.
Yeah, you again.
Hey, how you doing? Good, how are you? You guys having fun? Yeah?
Getting going.
Fantastic. What time did you get here? Ooh la la. Where's my sexy little Brenda? My baby Bazelle.
We're here with Jamie.
Oh man.
Male models we have. Are you excited for tonight's
Oh
show?
man, I'm excited. I'm excited. We're gonna roll this. We're gonna do it out. We're gonna make it big, right?
Yeah, because I joined in last minute. Dominic called me last Friday. I think he's crazy.
Yeah,
They're
no
crazy,
doubt.
man.
He's crazy.
They're crazy, but I like it. So I like the whole concept. Like camera in my face.
Should I put the remote on this right now?
No, take it easy. So, can you stand up here? And frame.
That's the perfect frame for what I want. Everybody's so ugly. Yeah. Should be lucky my teeth got fixed. Buddy, I had nasty teeth back in the day. They were all like jagged and shit.
Like here beside your face and press it. And then you're gonna tell me what it says here.
¿Dónde pudo?
Here.
Okay.
Can you give me a second? There. Yes, one more time, please. What it says?
16 and 250. 200.
Oh, but it's still the thermometer is
Which is that? Oh, this one.
Yeah. So
Oh, okay.
you tell
That
me when
needs to
you're
be full, right?
16 exactly.
Oh, okay. Almost. Oh, that's between six. That's your points, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Now, that's
There.
enough.
There you go.
That's it.
250 and 16. Holy shit.
So why do you choose 16?
If you choose the telephoto, right?
Oh.
What's the range? It says 70 to 300, yeah.
Let me